Let's watch how do this man load sheds. This man load sheds. The man load the shed. Oh, the man dig under there. Then how do the man do it? The man picket it up. Oh, the man puts a block under there. Oh wow. And the man, oh, I see how the man do it. And the man pick, wow. That be fancy. Boy, that do be fancy. Wow, that is how the man load a shed. Oh, this is the barnyard in Junction, Colorado. You think this will work for him to load the shed? Oh shit, yeah. Oh, the trailer do bag up. I see. He just pushes the shed right through the air. Now that is fancy. Oh, there. Now that do be fancy. Oh, he can't see me anyhow. Oh boy. Oh boy. Now that is, oh boy. It's like the shed's just sitting in the air there. Oh, there it comes. Oh wow. Now that thing is a coming. Oh wow, that shed is. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. I think it slid far enough sideways that it caught the side, the arm. Yeah. It caught the front bar. Like you're standing maruli on the side there, you know. So yeah, oh, he be doing that. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, for sure, for sure. For sure, that's good. Maybe I'll help the man a little bit. Oh man. Yeah, you can get the sign in. Huh? You can get the sign in pretty easy. Wow. Oh shit, yeah. The barnyard built's the best in the West. That's right. That do be right. That do be right. Aha.